from Heather Biko. I wanted to do an unboxing for the May Simply Gilded sub box. This month it's called Hello Darling, which is adorable play on words. This month the colors are, the foil color is gold, and it's got a pink and kind of a blue and like a sage green, along with this peach and this dahlia watercolor little print right here. Here's the back of the box. You've got Juniper, your little peaches, live life lusciously, you know, Simply Gilded, and all her social media info. So let's go ahead and get started and what's in the box. I will not be showing you the mystery item from this box. As a part of Irene's team, I don't feel right spoiling that for anyone. I know a lot of people like to keep it a surprise, and I don't want to spoil that surprise for anyone, so I will not be showing the mystery item in this video, so no worries about any spoilers. Okay, so here's everything that comes in the box, and let's find the card so we can kind of go through. I've already taken everything out of all of its wrapping. I've undone all of the washi so that you can kind of see it swatched. So here's the card that comes in every box. It tells you what's in it, and we'll just kind of go down the list and give you some closer views of everything. Okay, so the first item is the foil journaling card. I love the journaling cards that Irene does. They're just gorgeous. So here we go with Sunny Days Ahead. It's got a pink background. It's got the dahlia watercolor print with the peach, gold foiling, Simply Gilded here at the bottom. It's blank on the back. I love all of her journaling cards. I wish I could collect every one that she's put out. I doubt that will ever happen, but you know, anyways. Okay, next is designer washi tapes. So I've already removed these from the packaging, but these are your washi tapes. These are the washi tapes that come with it, with just the regular box. And so you have this one that is just a floral, and this one, the texture is kind of like the one from Masterpiece. It kind of had like a shimmery, it's thicker, and it was kind of shimmery textured. So this is pretty much the same. It doesn't have any shimmer like the other one did, but it's got the same texture and the same thickness. So then you get the 15 and 10 millimeter floral bows. Here's the simple line bow with a peach color. This one is like a bow and a heart. And then this one is your date covers. And these three are, these three are perforated. And then the 5mm add-on, you get this really pretty, this is pink, and it's got kind of this, it's kind of a matte blue sagey foil. I've tried to, I don't know if you can see, maybe right there. It looks kind of silver right there, but it's not silver. It's kind of a matte blue, I guess. But yeah, really pretty. And then, so it's got like that vine, and then it's got a heart in it. It's upside down, sorry. It's got the vine and then the little heart. And then this is the same, let's do this. They were all upside down. This is the same print on a yellow, so you can kind of see the pattern a little better on this one, but it's got like the little vine with the heart in the middle. And then here you've got this peach with the bow and the little heart. And then the last one is this 5mm bow. Very pretty. So here's all the washi that comes this month. I mean, gorgeous. And let me show you, I've already swatched everything, so let me show you what they look like swatched. Here's my swatch book. Okay, so here they are all swatched. You can see the foil of everything. Let me get you close up. Okay, so that's what it looks like. You know, sometimes they look a little different rolled out than they do on the roll. So this is what it looks like rolled out. Here's your perforated ones, the date covers, and then let's see, Yeah, and here's the 5mm add-on. So yeah, you can really get a good look at those. So yeah, that's all the washi. I mean, you can't ask for a better set of washi in this box. It's just beautiful. Okay, so the next thing is the deluxe sticker kit and seals. So again, I've already taken everything out of its packaging to try to make this a little quicker. Here's the seals. Very pretty. It's got the same, pattern that is throughout the kit. And then the sticker kit. So here's your sticker kit. It's a 2-page sticker kit. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 full boxes. You've got two weeks worth of header date covers, circle icons. Here's some headers, checklists, some scripts. Here's some more headers. Here's some deco. Actually, this is another full box right here. Here's some flags with foiled icons on them. And then now she's also including this third sheet that has some half boxes. Here's another full box, another little decorative box, and some floral deco along with your foiled checklist in the middle. So this works great for me. These kits work great for me. I am a white space planner. So I can usually pull in things from either my leftovers or other, just foiled items or characters or whatever. I can usually make these work pretty well for a whole week spread. And you get 2 weeks worth of date covers. So even if you can make this a whole spread, you still have some extra date covers that you could use for another spread, if you are shorter, if these match perfect or whatever the case may be. So these all go with the kit. You also get these stickers. So these are your heart icon stickers. I absolutely love these stickers. I want them in every color and every foil. I pretty much have everything that she offers in the shop right now in these particular style of stickers. But so this is like a sagey green, I guess. And they are hearts, and it's got all these icons that are foiled in the gold. And then you also get this sheet. So here's your same, that same Dahlia watercolor print that's throughout the kit. And I'm trying to see if you can, there you go. You can see it's the date dots. These are cut in hearts, and at the bottom you have a few more icons. But yeah, so you can use these date dots on the hearts on the perforated washi. So yeah, really pretty. I love these date dots. Okay, so next on the list is the sticker book, which yes, everyone loves these sticker books. So I know that a couple weeks ago she released a couple of colors. We've already gotten 1 or 2 of these. I'm not sure, I don't remember how many. I think 2 maybe in past boxes. But this one's different because it's got like a pattern. It's not the solid colors that she's offered before. I do know that she's going to be offering some other colors for her next pre-sale, which I believe is going to be in July. So this one that came with the box is in the same, it's got that same Dahlia print, the watercolor print that's throughout the whole entire kit. When you open it up, it's got this beautiful sage green color. Here's your scallop pocket. This part is also scalloped. These inserts are really, really nice. It's got openings on both sides, so you can put stickers on both sides. These are nice and thick. They won't tear easily. The book itself is just very well made. So on the back, you've got this Simply Gilded embossed right here. You've got this little D-ring where you can hang something from it, or maybe hook it to your purse or whatever the case may be. So yeah, so this is a sticker book that came this month in the kit, and it is just gorgeous. It's got the gold hardware with the heart on the snap. So the next item is the B6 notebook. So here's the notebook. And I haven't opened this yet. I've been storing these in the B6 Traveler's Notebook that she included in one of the kits a couple of months ago. I used to actually plan in a B6 planner, but I've since moved up to a A5. So I haven't been using these, but I'm hanging on to them. They're so pretty. I hate to not hang on to them, you know, because I feel like I'm going to need them at some point. But anyway, so yeah, so this is B6 sized, and I believe it's a dot grid notebook, but I'm not 100% sure on that. So it says Sweet Peach at the bottom right here, foiled in gold. On the back, you've got your gold bow right here and Simply Gilded logo down here. The next item is the black pen. So it's white with the dahlia print. It's got gold hardware, and it is a gel pen. So if you can see the, oh, that's way too close. Here we go. Yeah, so it's a gel pen. These pens write really nice. They're a nice heavy weight. It definitely does not feel like a cheap pen. You know what I mean? Sometimes you have a nice heavy weight to them. So these are really, really nice pens. The next item is the drawstring pouch. So when you get your box, all of your washi was actually stored. Well, mine was. All my washi was actually stored in this, but because I had taken everything out of packaging and everything, I wanted to make it run a little bit quicker. My washi was not in here, but this is the little pouch that comes this month. And so it's a little drawstring bag. It's kind of a bluish, grayish, it's not a canvas, but it's kind of a thin, kind of silky material. Here's your dahlia and peach watercolor print. It's got Simply Gilded at the bottom. It's really lightweight, and then it's just got this little drawstring at the front, at the top. So this would be really cute just to keep in your purse. You could actually, I mean, put anything in here. It's really cute. It's kind of a nice change from the little pouches that she's been sending, you know, like the little canvas pouches or the vegan leather, even though I love those and I use those for different things. This is a nice change of the little pouch in the bag. I really, really love this bag. Okay, so next is the little velvet bow charm. So again, I took this out of the packaging. This was the package that it came in, which in itself is just adorable. You know, the little card. I feel like you could, you know, stick that like in a pocket in your planner, and this could be like used as deco. So this, here's your charm. It's a little bow, a little velvet bow. It's got the large lobster clasp right here. It has the little enamel charm with the little leaf, and it's also got a little crystal on it. So this can be, you can hook this on your, you can hook it on your sticker book, you can hook it on your purse, you can hook it on your planner. Anyway, this can be used pretty much anywhere. It's really cute. You know, it's a velvet, it's kind of a peachy pink velvet ribbon, so just really cute, really versatile. So the next thing, actually the last thing on the list, because I will not be showing you the mystery item, is the vellum and the acetate. So here's your vellum, same floral print, and it's folded in half. I believe this is cut to fit a B6. Let's see. Here's the B6. Yeah, it's the same size as the B6. So this is cut to fit in the B6. You can laminate this in case, you know, you don't want it to get messed up in your planner or whatever. These laminate actually very well. So very pretty, nice quality. And here's your acetate. Acetate's one of my favorite things to put in my planner. It just gives it, I love the different textures and things like that in paper crafts. So this gives a completely different texture. You've got your silver bows with your little pink hearts, and if you open it this way, the bows are gold. The hearts are still pink, but the bows are gold. So you could use it either way. If you wanted to use it the opposite, you know, the gold, you would just fold it back and, you know, crease it down, bend it back so that it'll lay flat. But yeah, you could use it either way. Yeah, so that's it for this month's box. I mean, it's absolutely gorgeous. The washi is so pretty. Here's your little pouch. We've got stickers, the sticker book. Here's your seals and your journaling cards. So yeah, everything this month was just absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to see what she's got in store for us next month. You know, every box, it seems like every time I get a box, I think, oh my God, this box is so pretty, and then I see the next box, you know. And not everyone's gonna love every box. There are a couple of boxes in the past that, you know, aren't my favorite, but I still love something about the box. You know, even though it might not be my style or whatever, there's always something in the box that I love. So yeah, so this is the May box, Hello Darling, and you can go to her website if you want to subscribe. You would be subscribing for next month, which is June, and she hasn't released sneaks on that yet, so I'm excited to see what she's got in store for us. So I thank you for watching. I would love for you to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment. Leave me a comment. I am a part of her team, so if you have any questions about Simply Gilded, the shop or anything, please feel free to reach out to me and ask. I'll be more than happy to help you as much as I can. So anyway, I appreciate you watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.